So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys the best game user settings for Fortnite. So if you guys do enjoy this video, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, let's get on with the video. So I did make a video on the best game user settings around 2 to 3 months ago, but I wanted to make an updated one just because there's a lot of things that have changed, you know, starting with them adding a performance mode and stuff like that. So first, let's actually get into why you should even have a custom config in the first place. So basically with the default Fortnite config, they are not optimized at all. Now you can go into your actual game settings and change some settings around that fits with your system, but there's some settings behind the scenes that you also need to change, making your game run a lot smoother. So long story short, just make sure you always have a custom config in your Fortnite game folder so your game can run a lot better. Go to the link in the description, click the Google Drive link. This window will pop up, just press download and it's going to download. Now it might say that this file can actually harm your PC. This file is 100% safe, so just press keep and then you guys should see your game user settings in the bottom left corner. Next, what you guys are going to do is press Windows and R at the same time and type in %local app data % and press enter. Now this folder should pop up right here. What you guys are going to do is go to the Fortnite game folder, press on saved, go to config, Windows client, and you guys should see your game user settings right here. What you guys are going to do is just right click on it and press delete. Now just make sure there's nothing in this folder. Next, right click on the Windows Explorer and press downloads. This is going to open your downloads folder. Once you're in this folder, what you guys are going to do is find the game user settings file that you just downloaded, click and hold and just drag it over, and now the game user settings file that you downloaded is in your Fortnite game folder. Now there will be some things that you guys have to change, like your resolution or your frame rate. So basically what you guys are going to do is just right click on the game user settings, go to properties, make sure read only is unticked, press OK and open it. Now once you guys are in the game user settings, go up to edit and press on it and then press find. Now type in resolution, size, and then these 4 should pop up right here. Now what you guys are going to do is change it from 1650 to your resolution. So if you're playing on native, just go and change it to 1920 for both. Make sure you are doing it for both so it actually sets it properly. But let's say you guys are using a custom resolution like I am, I would just change it to the custom resolution that I am using. So in my case, it's 1650 by 1080. So that's for your resolution. Next is your frame rate. Go back up to edit, press find again, and type in frame rate with no spaces. Click on enter, and you guys should see your frame rate right here. So what you guys are going to do is change it to whatever frame rate you use in game. So in my case, I use 144, but if you use something like 120 or 165, change it to that. Now you guys can actually set it to a custom frame rate in game. That's how there's people that have their frame rates capped at like random numbers that you can't really cap your frame rate at. So like, let's say you guys wanted to run your game at 100 frames, you would just change it to 100 and that's it. It's pretty simple. Now to save your settings, just press the X in the top right corner. It should ask you if you want to save the changes to the game user settings. Just press save and that's it. Now for a custom resolution with the game user settings, you guys just did the first part by changing your resolution in the game user settings. So the second step that you guys are going to do is if you have an NVIDIA graphics card, right click on your desktop and go to the NVIDIA control panel. Once the control panel opens, just go down to change resolution and press customize. Now press create custom resolution, and this is where you fill in all of your values for your resolution. So let's say I wanted to use 1440 by 1080. I would just go and type in 1440 by 1080 and press test. Then once your screen comes back on, it should ask you to like save the changes, press yes. And then once you're done with that, what you guys are going to do is come down to adjust desktop size and position, and then make sure your scaling mode is on full screen. Now a lot of people have been asking me how to fix the problem of them having black bars whenever they use a stretch resolution. So what I tell them is to make sure that your scaling mode is on full screen. Now a lot of people have their scaling mode on aspect ratio, and as you guys can see, they have black bars, or they have it on no scaling and it has black bars. So just make sure your scaling mode is on full screen so it actually stretches out to your monitor, and then press apply, and then it should ask you to like save the changes once again. Just press yes, and that's how you set a custom resolution in Fortnite. I've made several videos on optimizing Fortnite, so if you guys are interested, check the I in the top right corner or check the description down below. I've also made many stretch resolution videos, so if this one was confusing for you, I have a video that's a lot easier. So also check the I in the top right corner or the description down below. But yeah, that's going to be it for today's video. If you guys did enjoy enjoyed today's video, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. It's been your boy Zxire, and I'm out. Peace.